Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're looking at setup configuration for an Atlas Bipod. And this is actually currently set up in a legacy modified configuration. And it's based on the basic BT10 V8, which is utilizes a low profile 2-screw clamp uh, assembly. So that would be this portion here, and it would include the legs up to this area here and these basic rubberized feet. Now we'll get into this leg portion in a little bit, and the mount accessory as well. But the basic configuration includes here up to here, and for the basic V8 BT10 model, just uses a very basic 2-screw attachment, and this will attach to any type of rail type of assembly, something like this. What's known as a 1913 style or Picatinny rail. Try to decide which one is the actual name versus nickname. Officially, it's Stanag 4694 as a NATO type code. What's interesting about this actual clamp system, as opposed to subsequent evolutions, would include throw levers directly onto here and no clamp option, which allows you to actually mount other aftermarket two-hole mounts like ARCA, etc. But this particular setup with the V8 BT10 was selected for SOCOM's Mark 14, but Mod 2 version. So the Mark 14 was originally the Enhanced Battle Rifle program, the EBR, and I guess subsequently evolved through the mods from Mod 0 up through at least through Mod 2, which I guess this platform was selected for, and that would be like an NSN number for the complete system. However, that would actually be selected. So if you would research that, I'll put the NSN numbers in the description. Basic Atlas bipods come with a pan of 30 degrees, cant of 30 degrees, and 5 leg positions. So let's see if I can demonstrate that right now. You can see here a tension knob, which helps loosen up the flexibility of the mounting. I have this actually tightened up quite a bit, so I really don't want to mess it up too much. But we can demonstrate how the legs deploy. There's 45, 90, 135, all the way back to 180. They all have this extension locking system, and I'm trying to think what else here. If I actually open up both sides, this is a very tight bipod. You see their Atlas Bipod patented and arrow markings, so don't be fooled by any knockoffs, cheap imitations, etc., as they would say. You can sort of see how the pan and cant is on this kind of ball swivel under here, and how these go on there. So let me just put this back here so I can hold on to it a little bit easier. Let's get into the leg extensions real quick. These are the BT22 Atlas leg extensions. They actually are compatible with different models of the Atlas bipod that include the V8, such as this one, Also the PSR and the CAL models, and those have slightly different head setups for different applications, and are priced accordingly. The legs add an additional 3 inches that you can see right here at this attachment point, and they basically attach by depressing this little stainless steel plunger, and likewise here, that's how you switch out the feet to different optional feet that are compatible with those 3 types of basic models of V8s, the PSRs, and the CALs. And these themselves have their own NSN number, put as that in the description. They're sold as a pair. Now let's get into this. This is a different vendor from Midwest Industries. You can see MI there. And what this is the MI-QDABP. So this is specifically Midwest Industries, and they kind of worked in conjunction with, I believe, Atlas for their Atlas Bipod mount. And what this actually does is give you a little bit of an extension here if your platform, for whatever reason, in order to extend your, I guess, overall footprint on the ground from user to the furthest point, to give this a little bit more distance from your mount point, whatever, because you're adjusting for barrel length, handguard length, whatever, however you're mounting this to whatever type of system, bolt, semi, whatever, that you got this down to. And this utilizes a throw lever mount, which also mounts to the Stanag 1913 Picatinny rail type of mounts, or NATO equipment mounts. And you can see here it utilizes a throw lever, which helps expand the distance. And this is the adjustment knob. So if you actually push this in, usually I can't get it right now. Oops, of course I just locked it. This is basically the unlock button right there, which allows the lever to swing free. And then you can see here, I'm just giving a little bit of pressure. You can actually turn this to the clockwise and counterclockwise to change the seating depth of how far this will tighten in the lever portion. So if your rails have differently size specifications, you can actually get it to adjust however you want and lock it into place. So this one does have a little bit of play to it versus how I've had this on before. But working by way backwards, Midwest Industries QDABP, the BT22 Atlas leg extensions. These are the normal feet that came with the BT10 V8 low profile 2-screw clamp rail attachment system on that type of bipod. So this has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do a selection of unboxing videos and also some book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.